Okay, hopefully you guys can see all this. I just got this in. It's a M18 red lithium. It's basically a 3.0 amp hour battery pack. Supposedly it's not working, but I charged it up and it's got 4 bars on it. Unfortunately, I do not have any Milwaukee tools, but these are easy to work on. I've got a charger, and they're easy to sell as well. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to open the thing up and run the multimeter on each of the batteries. Find something to put these little bolts in so I do not lose them, which I am very much apt to do. I think I need to switch over to this. Maybe not. Oh. Okay. Oops, they're not different. What's the deal with this one? There we go. This wasn't hitting the hole. Let's seal that the fuck up. Okay. Lock all that out of there. Okay. Got a total of 10 18 650 batteries. Let's see. I can remember it's been, I don't know, maybe 6 months since I've done one of these. Last one I did was for a friend. I've had no word yet as to whether the damn thing worked or not. This looks to be in fairly good shape. Let's get our multimeter and y'all probably won't be able to see this. Hopefully I'm not talking too loud. I usually am. Okay. Got 3.89. That's good. $3.89. $4.04. $4.04. I don't know if y'all can see this. $4.04. $4.04. Let's go down to this next one so I don't have to switch out. 4.04. 4.04. Okay. And then these last 4.02. 4.02. I don't see what in the fuck is wrong with this. Anyways, I might have to bleep out my little F-bombs. Let's turn this off so I don't run the battery down on that. Okay. Not doing a load test on it. I really don't think there's much wrong with this. Unless it just won't hold the charge. I may have to buy them. I wonder if my neighbor has got a Milwaukee tool. Bet he does. Okay, let's put all this shit back. Yeah, that doesn't look like it's going to line up. Okay, I got it backwards. There we go. There we go. It's diametrically opposed down to here. Okay. My intention in starting this hobby was to do this kind of as a side job, a little hustle, but I really don't know enough about electronics to, I think, do it justice. If I knew more about those BMS boards and all the little parts and pieces, I would be much more confident. Yeah, it doesn't hold a charge worth a shit. Okay. Well, I can already see that it's down to 3 bars. Let's put it back on here a little bit more and see what happens. Okay, I'm going to turn the camera off.